That Safari search you thought was gone may still appear on your start page, even after you close the tab. Before you hand your iPhone to anyone or use Safari, open Safari and do this. Because closing a tab doesn't mean the website has disappeared. Safari could show it again on the start page, along with links from your messages and emails, and pages open on your other devices. Open Safari, then open a new tab. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Edit. Now review these three options. Suggestions. This may show websites you visit frequently, along with links from messages, mail, calendar, maps, and other apps. If you don't want them to appear, turn it off. Personally, I'm going to turn it off. Recently closed tabs. This shows pages you recently closed and lets you reopen them easily. If you don't want them to appear, turn it off. Personally, I'm going to turn this one off too. iCloud tabs. This shows pages open on your other Apple devices, linked to the same account, if Safari is enabled in iCloud. Personally, I'm going to turn this off too because I think it's the most dangerous. A device that I sold, lost, or gave to a friend could remain connected, and that's definitely a huge mistake. Also, notice that if Use Start Page on all devices is turned on, your start page settings may also sync across your other devices. That's why I'm going to turn it off too. But it's very important to understand that turning off these options only hides these sections from the start page. It doesn't delete your browsing history or close the tabs open on your other devices. Finally, tell me in the comments, are these settings really as important to you as they are to me or not? Write important or not important. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel, because sometimes the most dangerous thing on your iPhone isn't what you left open. It's what you thought you closed and disappeared.